Welcome back. I am Lisa Hall, and I serve the amazing people of Pinellas County. Today, we're talking all about doing everything you can to prevent your home from sitting on the market for too long. Sometimes sellers come to me after they've hired another real estate agent to list their home, but the listing expired because the home sat on the market for too long. In this case, I'll take a look at the listing and can usually spot the reason why the home sat for so long in about 60 seconds flat. In this episode today, I'm going to show you the top 5 reasons why a home will sit on the market and how to fix it so it doesn't happen to you. The first thing are bad photos. When you start interviewing agents to list your home, one of the most important questions you can ask them is, who is your photographer? If the agent cannot give you an answer, or worse, tells you that they do them themselves, run. Because of apps like Zillow, Redfin, and Trulia, potential home buyers have been trained to swipe left. When they see a home with bad photos, they won't even bother coming in to look at it in person. They'll just keep scrolling. Instead, make sure that your agent hires a professional real estate photographer that knows exactly how to capture the best features of your home. This is the first step in driving tons of traffic to your home. Number 2 is bad decor. Unless they're an interior designer with a trained eye, it's really difficult for the average buyer to see past your decor. Even if you've chosen your pieces carefully and paid a premium price, it may not suit the buyer's tastes or needs. The problem arises because in order for a buyer to want your home, they have to be able to see themselves living in it first. But this is nearly impossible when they can't get past a chair, rug, or tile selection that you've chosen that doesn't match their style. Sure, everyone knows that a rug can be replaced, but if the rug is so offensive that the buyer can't get past it, it's likely that they won't be able to see themselves moving in the home either. Eliminate this entire scenario by removing all unnecessary clutter, updating your furniture pieces, and using neutral color palette that will appeal to the masses. If you don't know how to do this, your realtor should be able to put you in contact with an amazing home stager. Number 3 is bad pricing. This is probably one of the most common culprits. Contrary to popular belief, the price of the home is not what you think it's worth, but what a buyer is willing to pay for it. This means that the market is what determines the price of the home, not the seller, not the appraiser, and not the realtor. You may think that your home is worth X amount because you improved it, made memories in it, and took such good care of it, but none of that matters to a buyer. They will be looking at the home objectively, and if they can't justify the price, they'll just move on. For all of my clients, I have a very candid conversation with them so that they understand how to price their home so it doesn't sit on the market unnecessarily. Number 4 is bad vibes. Sometimes there are things you can't even see that are holding back your home sale. It could be a funky pet smell, a dark drab interior, an unusually hot or cold temperature, or even a weird creepy sound that spooks the buyer out. Your agent should be collecting feedback from all of the agents and buyers who have toured your home. This feedback is essential to spotting trends and eradicating issues that are holding back the sale. Lastly, number 5 is bad communication. Sometimes the home is perfect, but it's a lack of communication that actually hinders the sale. It always baffles me when I encounter listing agents who don't return calls or allow showings. Your agent should be available via text during normal working hours. If you can't even get a hold of her, how is a potential buyer supposed to? You also have to be flexible. I understand the inconvenience of keeping the home clean to show at a moment's notice. But if you want to get the home sold, Everyone needs to be flexible. The key to selling a home fast is making a great first impression. And this is where a skillful agent can really help you. This is where I step in. Before listing a property, I love to visit the space that we're listing and make recommendations on things that need to happen to make the house its most marketable. At this point, you may be convinced that you need some guidance around the area of getting your home to sell quickly versus having it sit on the market for too long. But you may also be thinking that you have no idea where to start. If you're thinking about making a move, I can help you through the process. Just send me a message or text me at 727-742-5830. No pressure, no sales tactics, just the help and guidance that you need. Please feel free to post any questions, comments, or concerns in the chat box. I always go back and check the videos in order to answer questions in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode.